Expectations for Chapter 5. Now that you have your first exam grades, you should see the importance of reading the text, the articles, and the links, so I'm not going to mention it, much, in this video. Just like with the earlier chapters, there will be some reading questions and a short quiz dealing with the Chapter 5 reading. Please remember to continue reading the articles and links in addition to the text. Particularly for this chapter, really pay attention to the links. Taking some notes during class should help you here, and certainly sharing some of your own experiences regarding the treatment of historically discriminated groups will really help our discussions. You will receive your second significant writing assignment this semester in this module as well. I will assign you a scenario dealing with speech, press, and assembly freedoms in the First Amendment. For this scenario, you will need to identify correct and incorrect examples of speech, press, and assembly freedoms in the scenario using the attached text pages. There is no video this time. Good luck, and please reach out if you have any questions.